Welcome to EDUvelopment's Career Guidance Hub. If you're drawn to the sea and enjoy hands-on work, a career as a deckhand could set you on an exciting journey. Deckhands are vital to the smooth operation of boats and ships, offering a fulfilling career in the maritime industry. Deckhands are responsible for assisting with the daily operation and maintenance of vessels. They perform tasks like cleaning, mooring and handling cargo to ensure the ship runs efficiently and safely. Their work is essential for keeping maritime operations smooth and effective. Deckhands perform a wide range of duties to support vessel operations. These include maintaining cleanliness on deck, handling lines during docking and departure, and assisting with navigation tasks. They also play a key role in loading and unloading cargo, securing it for safe transport and conducting minor maintenance or repair work. Safety is a primary concern, and deckhands are often involved in emergency drills and equipment inspections. The work environment for deckhands is dynamic and physically demanding. They work outdoors, often in challenging weather conditions, and are exposed to the sights and sounds of life at sea. Depending on the vessel, work schedules can include long hours and shifts at odd times. Deckhands may work on a variety of ships, from commercial vessels and fishing boats to luxury yachts and ferries. While formal education beyond a high school diploma is not usually required, deckhands need physical strength, stamina, and a willingness to learn on the job. Basic seamanship knowledge, familiarity with vessel equipment, and safety certifications like STCW, which stands for Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers, are essential. Good communication skills and the ability to work as part of a team are also important for success. Deckhands have numerous opportunities for advancement. With experience and additional training, they can become able seamen, bosuns, or even captains. Specializations are also possible, with roles on various types of vessels such as cargo ships, cruise liners, or private yachts. The maritime industry offers steady demand for skilled deckhands, providing pathways into sectors like shipping, fishing, and tourism. A career as a deckhand offers adventure, growth, and a chance to work on the open sea. For more information about this career and others, visit eduvelopment.com. Explore the Career Guidance Hub and own your life.